So 9 minus 2 is 7. And then we have that 0 here. It's a little blurry, but okay, there we go. We have that 0 here. So now our next step is to drop that 0. So you don't need to care about the 0 in the 2,890 until you're multiplying when subtracting by the 2,720. Because you're multiplying by 0, so multiplying 80. So you have that 0 there, and so the 80, the 0 there, gives you 2,720. So it stays 0 because you have a 0 there, right here. And you stop when you're not guaranteed to have a 0 there. So it depends on the place value. So now we bring that 0 down because of what I just explained. So we have 170 cookies left. And what do we do with that? How many times do we distribute that? So we bring down that 0. So that's how many we have left. Alright, so our next step, as you can see right here. So first we did 34 times 8. Now we are seeing how many times can I give 1 to each group at a time? If so, how many ones? Yes, because you only need about 34 if you give out 1 cookie at a time. So how many can we use? How many ones? So it ends up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 6 would be too much. You don't have that many cookies left. So that's like saying 34 times 5 is 170. And that's how many cookies we actually have left. So that's like saying 34 times 5, or 5 cookies to each of those 34 groups is 170. So we subtract that because we gave away 170, just like we gave away to 172, and we have 0 left over. So we did our job on sharing or distributing equally, because that is what partitive division is. And yeah, so our final answer is we gave away 85 cookies to each group or classroom. So as you can see, just to review, we have an explanation here and our visual here, so you can see how I'm explaining these steps and how I got to this answer of 85 cookies. So yes, thank you for watching.